Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Jay, and on today's gear review episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about the essentials of car camping in the woods. And today's product is no different than that, you guys. It's probably one of the most important things that you should always have in your car when you're ready to go camping, or for any adventure for that matter. And today's product I'm going to show you guys was actually sent to me from a company called Eafc. When they originally reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review car tire inflator, I said yes, because it's one of the most important things, as I just said, that you guys should have in your toolkit no matter where you go. Make sure it's powered on. The battery life is good on it. We got about a full charge right now. And I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but right now the setting is on a motorcycle. So this button right here is where you can switch tire inflation modes. So on the end over here, you'll see a little tiny basketball. Then we're going to switch to a bicycle tire. Then switch to motorcycle tire. And then finally, a car tire. Now, we're going to insert the included hose line, which goes like this. And just like that, we're ready to pump. So right behind me, I actually have our ATV that we were going to take out. And as you can see, the tire pressure is a little low. We already checked it with our tire pressure gauge. And I'm going to inflate the front tires to 12 psi and the rear tires to 16 psi. And I'll show you guys how to do that with the air pump. So for the front tires, I'm going to set it to 12 psi. And you can just drop it down, and right there, it's set at 12 psi. All right, you guys, so the first tire inflated successfully. We cut it down from 12 psi to 10 psi, and it took about 2.5 to 3 minutes to get to 10 psi. So we're gonna move now to the rear tires, and then I'm gonna walk you through on how to actually use it and the features that this tire inflator comes with, because there's some pretty cool features, and there's more ways that you could actually use it if the battery dies on you. So one cool feature about the car air pump that I just discovered, so as I plugged it in and I set it to 10 psi, the air pump actually tells you what the current tire is now, and it's at 12 psi or 11.5, and it doesn't actually let me pump the tire anymore. So I'm gonna take the male end, plug it in over here, pop it in, and then we're gonna fire up the battery. And now let's give it a little test. Oh, there we go. Time to continue the pumping. And you see, when you set the desired PSI, it shuts off when it hits that mark. So right now we're at 13 for the back tires. All right, so both of the rear tires are complete. The one on the right side was actually really low. It was down to like 3.5 PSI. And that actually took a little bit of time. And that took about, I would say, 4.5 minutes to get up to 13 psi. And this is exactly why you need to have a car air pump handy at all times, because you never know when you might need it. And the last thing that you want to deal with is not having it and having a flat tire. All right, you guys, so we just got done inflating all 4 tires on the ATV behind me with the Eafc car air pump. This thing actually performed really well. Do I recommend the Eafc car air pump? Yes, I do. It is one of the most essential things you guys can have in your car, no matter where you go, that'll help you get out of a jam. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below where you guys can purchase one. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that your bell notification is turned on, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next episode.